I'm saying when.
I'm Jared Bentukin.
I'm Samuel L. Jackson.
And this is cranial nerve testing.
Awesome.
And there's
To test the olfactory nerve, instruct your patient to close their eyes and occlude one nostril, have the patient smell familiar non-irritating substance, and repeat with the other nostril. You want the patient to identify the substance on both sides.
What do those smell like?
Mints.
Sorry, Jared. I just had a big meal.
Look at my open
Test
eye.
the optic nerve with tests including visual acuity, color vision, or confrontation fields and pupils. Here's an example of confrontation fields. Repeat for both eyes.
One,
All right, together.
three.
Good. And you do this. All right. Now tell me if my palms are clear.
They are.
Still focusing on my eyes. Okay. Are they clear? Good.
Test cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6 using the physiological age.
And just let me know if you experience any pain or double vision. Doing okay? Okay.
Just an excruciating pain.
All right.
This is what you don't do in cranial nerve 5. Alright. Just tell me if you feel a pointy object or a blunt
Test
object.
cranial nerve 5 with superficial stimulation. Instruct the patient to keep their eyes closed and to inform you if they feel the touch of the object. Test for head, lateral to the nostril, and below the mouth on both sides.
Good.
So this is cranial nerve 7.
Test cranial nerve 7 by observing facial symmetry and motor function. Have the patient demonstrate various tasks with hair, face, including smearing or puffing their cheeks.
And there's equal symmetry, so it's intact.
Standing behind the patient, have them close their eyes and cover one ear. Instruct them to indicate when they heard the sound on the uncovered side. While moving your arm in towards the patient, rub your finger and thumb together, creating a soft nose. Sound should be heard from an equal distance in each ear.
So for cranial nerves 9 and 10, we will have the patient recite their vowels.
A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y.
Intact.
Test cranial nerve 11 by testing the strength of the sternocleidomastoid by having the patient try to turn their head towards one shoulder while the examiner resists this movement. The trapezius muscles are elevated by having the patient shrug their shoulders while the examiner attempts to push them downward.
Good. Now turn your head right. Good. For cranial nerve 12, I need you to say a tongue twister.
Peter Piper picked a peck. 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 Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper.
It took JR approximately 20 years to finish that tongue twister. This is Morgan Freeman, by the way. Due to JR's ineptitude, Sang realized there just might be more to life than cranial nerve testing. Sang decided to explore what the world had to offer. He found love, and he found out how much more he could love. He watched his kids grow up. He walked his daughter down the aisle. He also discovered loss and grief. However, He overcame it to become a billionaire and the first man to colonize Mars. After all was said and done, he realized that maybe, just maybe, cranial nerve testing was his true love all along.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Cranial 12, 8 tax, equal. Good job.